So why the random word challenge of the day? In our program, Homeschooling Olympians, we're working on improving our communication skills right now with a deep dive into, we're calling it oral language development. And some of our kids are older, they're 14 and up. And one of the things that kids need to understand is that becoming a skilled public speaker takes practice, and you need to get out of your comfort zone. So this random word challenge of the day is a perfect opportunity for kids to practice thinking on their feet and speaking in front of a camera, just to kind of get their wet their whistle, so to say. So for the next few days, I myself am participating in the random word challenge as an exercise for myself, because we can all work on improving our public speaking skills, even if our voice is down and out because of a cold. But I also want to have examples to be working with my own students inside of Homeschooling Olympians. So watch for the random word challenge. All you do is you pull up a random word generator online. You use your smartphone where you click and you show the word, and then you immediately jump into an impromptu speech for the next 2 minutes about the word. And it's important that you record yourself. It's important that your kids record yourself, because when you watch it back, you can evaluate your facial expressions, your body language, your use of your hands, whether or not you pause or fill in the space with filler words and stuff. So it's a really good self-evaluation tool. So on your mark, get set, let's watch the next random word of the day, day 2.